Kambe amanzi kunokuthi kambe igesi.
Khamba amanzi kunokuthi ayizamnyanizwa.
Mina ngumile ngale.
Anyanizwa.
Akuyika hambile ke majets.
Mara mfethu mara like come on. Hamba amanzi igesi.
Hambisa amanzi.
Tanga sesivotile awena ngani. And manje amanzi awekho. Mana wena kumnandi abamanzi wena manje. Ezusho wena kumnandi kuwe ngithi ama point awafani ngiveza ipoint lokuthi wena uthi kumnandi uyaliveza lihlala etafuleni yabo nami lokuthi akukho mnandi ngiyabeka ngibeka etafuleni so lento ingayithuka
manje uvezela yakho
ya ukunya uthola bahamba naliphi yangithola amavuti nama followers
yazilungiselela kuqala phela obviously akusuthi njengoba lamanzi ahamba abaninga notice
manje kansini
bavuthela 4 days baba unawo
Saturday sure
Saturday exactly
Sunday man
so kugeze ke
sajogeza
notasona amahlazo kusasa
yebo so kugeze ke
mina lamanzi wachili kahle ngisothe
yabo
mina vele
notice ukuthi amanzi ahamba
mina ngisothese
yobanka ukuthi mina ngiyamthatha bona mabahambile mina ngiyawuchipa la
Yes, okay.
ngiyamthola ngiyawuspanisa next stop
Okay,
come on
okay.
at least amanzi
but don't you can buy generator you buy solar systems
siyayibamba manje nakhutha ngishayekile isimo siyabheda sithini le ndaba
opportunity generator
wena unayo
sometimes I'm sure we work hard and even we think out of the box not inside the box
Aningitshele la umsebenzi wegovernment yini
yeah thank you yeah umsebenzi wegovernment thank you uhambisa ugezi maybe providing ama generator mele nani
government job
you have the right to remain silent
the government must provide people with resources these basic resources that are a need, not a want in the community. That's the government work. You need to provide better lives for the community.
Yeah, better what?
Better resources
for the community. In resources general generator, what?
Access Pansara government ukuthenga generator.
Makambukisi.
Your own will ukuthenga generator.
Makambukisi. Angisho lapha manje ngeke umuntu
amisi. Mina ngisini, even point yami ngithi mina ugovernment, iSpansara government, ugovernment kumele ngabe umake sure ukuthi ngaba negesi ayihambi. I promise abantu ukuthi intanga igesi angeke ivale. Ngiyangithola